Welcome to our next tutorial on electricity. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about the solutions of these numerical problems. The first one says copper wire has a diameter of 0.5 millimeter. So it is given that diameter of the copper wire is 0.5 millimeter, and the resistivity of copper is 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. So rho equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. And to make a resistance of 10 ohm, what will be the length? Because we know that as length increases, resistance increases. So to make a resistance of 10 ohm, to create a resistance of 10 ohm, what will be the length? So let us try to solve it. Now diameter is 0.5 millimeter, so radius equal to 0.25 millimeter, because radius equal to diameter upon 2. So r equal to 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter, because we are now trying to get everything into SI unit. Now this resistance is not enough. We have to find the area of cross section. That means area of cross section equal to, cross section means x hyphen section, A equal to pi into r square. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and r equal to 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 square. So it becomes 22 upon 7 into 0.25 into 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this comes to 22 by 7 into, let us do it in a calculator to be faster. 0.25 into 0.25 is coming to 0.0625. Into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 comes to 10 to the power minus 6, because the powers will add up. Now 22 upon 7 into 0.625 equal to 0.1964 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. So this is the area of cross section of the copper wire. Now value of rho is given as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. And resistance will be 10 ohm. So now we have to find the length of the copper wire. So use the formula R equal to rho multiplied by L upon A. Therefore L equal to R multiplied by A upon rho. R equal to 10 ohm. Area of cross section is 0.1964 into 10 to the power minus 6. Let me divide this, and value of rho is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. You don't need to write the unit here, we'll write the unit at the end. Now let us write everything in a new fresh page. So L is 10 into 0.1964 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 8, which is coming as 10 into 0.1964 in the denominator it is coming as 1.6, then 10 to the power minus 6, and 10 to the power minus 8 from denominator will become 10 to the power plus 8. Now 10 into 0.1964 will be 1.964 and divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power 8, it becomes 10 to the power 2. Now 0.1964 divided by 1.6, it will come to 1.227 and multiplied by 10 to the power 2 will become 122.7 meter. So this is the length of the copper wire. In the next tutorial I am going to discuss the second part of the problem. So this is quite a big problem.